Hello, I'm Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go.
Welcome to this messy boot. As you can see, this is a mess that's after winter. There is a bag of empty bottles, there's stuff laying around, there's shopping bags, there is stuff I need to clear out and organize so the boot doesn't look like an absolute wreck. So let's start by removing everything and building up something that I wanted to have for a long time, but never had the chance of getting one, or getting one that's big or deep enough. There are many of these kind of storage bags or storage car boot storage organizers, or however you call it, on Amazon, on eBay, on all of these websites. No site light bulbs, and they do camping equipments, and this bag was for camping, so a car storage box. I thought I'll try it out. I loaded it fully up. Patch kit, first aid kit, tow ropes, coolant, like drinking water, like coolant, jump starter kit, all the stuff you need when you're on the side of the road, or if something happens that you are protected, you have something. Tire inflator, all of those you need in the case of an emergency or something happens. You can see these are the old ice scrapers. One of them is completely abused. That's still medicine, that's cleaning kit. Soon you will see a video about the X-tool. And these are shopping bags. One is a thermal shopping bag and one is a normal one. And loads of stuff goes in the bin. And the bag has Velcro, so you can Velcro everything up. You don't have to struggle with any buckles or anything like that. So you know that lid will never come open and never will disappear somewhere. It's all velcroed, and it doesn't take that much space in the boot, and I can access all the tools and everything I need. It's not that hard to open and grab things, or you can pull it forwards and remove the lid completely. The side pockets does the job well of keeping what I need on hand every day. Let's look at the aftershots once I use the bag for 2 weeks already. Nice.
I don't know about you, but now that looks quite a lot better and more organized. I never had a chance to get this kind of storage box, but now I have one, and I'm using it already for 2 weeks. It's awesome. It takes a little bit of space, but takes less space than all that mess that was there. Links for no site I'm using is in the description down below, and some cheaper ones, but they aren't that big or that sturdy, will be in the link down below, like rivals, cheaper ones. Hope this video was informative, or at least satisfying. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.